I'm going to show you the best high-ticket affiliate marketing programs that can make you anywhere between $500, $1,000, and even $2,000 with just one click of a button. Now, I recently created an entire breakdown of how to start a high-ticket affiliate marketing business from A to Z. So make sure to go check out that video first because I go into depth on how to start a high-ticket affiliate marketing business. More specifically, in this video, I'm going to show you the best programs you can start promoting to start building your high-ticket affiliate marketing business. Now, in that previous video on how to start a high-ticket affiliate marketing business, I showed you how to go to places like ClickBank, Digistore24 to find public high-ticket affiliate marketing products. But in this particular video, I want to show you the best private high-ticket affiliate marketing products that maybe a lot of you haven't heard about. But the reason I want to show you the private products is because those are typically the better products that you can promote for your high-ticket affiliate marketing business. Now, if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. Now, the purpose of this channel is to show you how you can build an online business that can help you achieve full financial and time freedom. I was actually able to leave my 9-to-5 job within 9 months of starting my high-ticket affiliate marketing business. So if you want to learn exactly how, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I'm coming out with videos almost every single day. Let's get into it. Okay, so high-ticket affiliate product number one is called Millionaire Women Academy. Now, I'm going to walk you through the actual program. I'm going to walk you through the affiliate part of things. Before I do that, though, I want to show you the creator of Millionaire Women Academy. So the creator of this program is Camila Markson. Now, some refer to her as the queen of Instagram. As you can see, over 345,000 followers on Instagram. Now, the crazy thing about Camila is this is like her second or third, maybe even fourth Instagram that she's been able to grow from complete scratch. What's cool about her is not only has she done it with just one account, she's been doing it with multiple accounts because for whatever reason they got shut down. But this is her main account right now. One thing I want to say about Camila is she's from Brazil. She started her affiliate journey with not knowing English completely, but she stepped out of her comfort zone. She made over $1 million with high-ticket affiliate marketing, and now she has her own program. Now, my favorite part about Camila is she actually took one of my original programs back in 2021. So it's super cool to see one of my students now having her own high-ticket affiliate marketing program. So super excited about Camila. So I highly recommend this program. I'm going to walk you through it. I'm going to show you the value and why this is such a cool program. Now, I just wanted to show you her Instagram here. She does focus on these kind of these like 5-10 second silent videos, which is similar to what I teach as well. But she does it in a very strategic way. She's very creative, and that's kind of what she teaches in her program. So if I walk you through the Millionaire Women Academy, you'll notice here, this is the back end, right? This is when somebody purchases this high ticket program, they get access to this course, okay? Now you'll see here, she has module by module. She's got welcome, she's got get your mindset, intro to affiliate marketing. But what I really like here, and as you can see, module 7 is Instagram. That's her bread and butter. She gets thousands and thousands of leads a day using Instagram. Okay, so I watched this entire Instagram module and I learned so much. Okay, so much that I've been using her strategy from Instagram to massively grow my account. And Instagram was something that I stopped using just because, quote unquote, it wasn't working for me. So this program right here is worth it just for module 7. But obviously she has a ton of different modules in here. But this isn't a review of the program. I wanted to talk about the affiliate program and how you can promote it. Okay, so this is her dashboard here. The cool thing is she's giving 60% commissions for Millionaire Woman Academy. Now, I'm going to leave a link down below so you can get access to this program. That way you can promote it as well. But the cool thing here is she makes it super simple. Now, if we go to this link, and I'm just going to show you here because I am an affiliate for her program, just a very simple sales page. As you can see here, she has some good copy. She has a little bit about her and what the program offers. And then as you can see, if you go to the bottom here, you can simply get started. You'll notice here at the moment of recording this video, it is a $497 product, but you get 60% commissions, which is actually really, really high for a high ticket product. Now, I did speak to Camila and she did mention that she's going to be adding more things such as webinars, challenges to get people into the system. And as you know, if you watched my training on how to make your first $1,000 with high ticket affiliate marketing, I did mention that you want to find a program that has one of those two things because that's going to do all the selling and telling for you, so you don't have to go and do that. So look out for Millionaire Woman Academy. She's building it. She's adding more to it, but I will leave a link down below if you're interested. So what I would say is if you want to help your customers master Instagram, this is one of the better programs for that, right? Now, obviously she does teach affiliate marketing and other things in there, but I think the main promise is learning how she's built her Instagram accounts over and over again, okay? So remember, if you can build your brand and business, you can pretty much promote any products, okay? So that's why I would promote this program, is because I would help my students learn about Instagram. All right, real quick before I show you the other high ticket affiliate marketing programs, I've been working on a secret project. Now, this secret project is going to allow you to promote multiple high ticket affiliate programs with one click. Okay, so think of the affiliate stacking ecosystem, which is something that I teach my students, but what if you could have that in one click? Okay, so what I'm doing with this secret project is it's going to allow you to promote multiple high ticket affiliate marketing programs with one click, tons and tons of follow-up with text follow-up, email. Like, there's never been anything like this. So if you are interested in learning more before anyone else, I want you to say secret project down below, and I'll be hinting more and more as we get closer to the date. All right, so high ticket product number 2 to promote is Legendary Marketer. Now, Legendary Marketer has been around for a while, and this is one of the better programs to promote when it comes to high ticket affiliate marketing. They have their entire system completely systemized. So the way it works is they have this challenge, okay? So the cool thing is you can go to this challenge or send people to this 15-day challenge. And within this challenge, there's something called a value ladder. Okay, so think of this staircase, all right? And the cool thing is when you send customers, so let's just say you send a customer to this challenge, well, the challenge is only $7, but then there's more value added. Then it's 37 or 38. Then you got like maybe $200. I can't remember the exact numbers, all the way up to, you know, a $2,500 product and beyond. Okay, so the cool thing is when you send somebody to this challenge, it ascends them to the higher ticket thing, okay? The cool thing about Legendary Marketer is they do all the selling and telling for you, okay? So when you send somebody to this challenge, well, somebody then gets on a phone call with them, okay? So this is supposed to be a phone. I know it's ugly, but they get on a phone call with them to upsell them that $2,500. Okay, so super, super powerful. Anytime you got phone sales, your conversions will massively increase. Okay, now the CEO of Legendary Marketer is David Sharp. He's the one that created it, but now he has a massive team running Legendary Marketer. So the cool thing is they can handle hundreds of thousands of people going to Legendary Marketer. Now, I did do a complete in-depth of the 15-day challenge, so I'm not going to go into every single day of the challenge, but if you do want to check that out, make sure to go check out this video right here where I go in complete depth on what is the 15-day challenge and how you can get access to that. So I'll leave a link to that down below as well. But with that being said, let's go to the next product. All right, so high ticket affiliate marketing product number 3 is Freedom Accelerator, or the 72-hour challenge. Now, I want to explain these because these are actually two different types of products and two different types of ways to promote it, okay? So as I mentioned in the video where I explained how to start high ticket affiliate marketing, I mentioned you either need a webinar or a challenge that's going to promote a high ticket product. That's the thing that's going to sell the high ticket product. It's going to show people the value, okay? So what I've done, and this is actually my program right here, I've actually created both. I have both a high ticket webinar and I have a challenge to get people into my system, okay? So you as the affiliate promoting this high ticket product, you're gonna be able to leverage both, okay? With a high ticket product, you want to have those two things. So if you go to givemefreedom.com/JV, you'll have access to start promoting this, okay? So again, you'll have, if you go to this button here, you'll be able to promote the 72-hour challenge, okay? So this is how you promote basically a $9 challenge that then goes to upsell a higher ticket product, okay? So this is kind of similar to maybe what Legendary would do. The only difference here is I also have a webinar, okay? So again, I mentioned a webinar is basically a presentation, gives people a ton of value, but then it shows them why they need this high ticket product, okay? So both a webinar and both a challenge will do all the selling and telling for you, okay? So the cool thing is you have two ways to promote this one high ticket product. So if I click on this, it says sign up to promote a webinar. You will actually be going to Digistore and you could sign up to promote this webinar, okay? So once you create an account, it's super easy. All you do is you get approved, which is instantly approved on Digistore. And then to promote the webinar, all you have to do is simply go down and you're gonna have this link right here, okay? So basically, to promote the webinar, you basically send people to this product here, or this link, and the only thing you change is this link, okay? This is your affiliate link that you would get from Digistore 24, okay? So that's exactly how you would promote that. And then obviously, if you wanted to promote the challenge, same thing. All you would need to do is go to this link right here, sign up to promote the challenge. And let me sign in here. So once you sign into the 72-hour challenge, if you scroll down, all you have to do is send people to right here, the 72-hour challenge opt-in, okay? So the way I've built it is I've built it where you can have both a challenge and a webinar to promote basically the same product, okay? So that's why I've built it that way, because I know that you need either a challenge or a webinar. But what I've done is I allow you to promote both, right? Get them from two different angles that can provide enough value for them to buy a high ticket product. Now, I want to explain the product itself. This is called Freedom Accelerator, which is actually my proven program on how I've gone from $0 to $100,000 per month. Now, more specifically, I've created a Freedom Accelerator in these 4 different phases, okay? So this is not a review of the program, but I just want you to have some knowledge. That way you can know what you're promoting. This program, Freedom Accelerator, I broke it down into phase 1, where I show people how to get results as fast as humanly possible. Phase 2, I show them how I built a traffic ecosystem, how to get leads on autopilot, basically. Phase 3, I show them how we increase conversions by building their own custom offer. And then phase 4 is all about automations and scaling. So that's how I've built out Freedom Accelerator. That's the promise, and that's what they're gonna get inside of this program. So as you can see, I've laid it out with phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, and phase 4. So tons and tons of content inside of Freedom Accelerator. All right, so high ticket affiliate marketing product to promote is called Elite Income Empire by Wealth Warriors. Now, the owners of this product is Daniel Chow and Nate Bockers. Now, they've actually created this program to help people get started with an affiliate coaching business. So I want to walk you through this high ticket affiliate product, but more importantly, I want to show you how you can promote it and how you can make thousands of dollars with this product. Now, this is the back end of their program, and you'll see here there's an insane amount of value with Elite Income Empire, okay? Now, I'm gonna go through just very quickly because, again, this is not a review on the product. I'll do another more in-depth video on that later, but I just want to show you real quick, right? So we have some mindset. On module number 3, we have traffic ATM to explode your business. So short form videos. Module 4 is using Facebook to build a 6-figure high ticket system. Module 5 is basically they're showing you how to build the funnels and the tech and all that stuff, okay? Now the cool thing is, and I'm not gonna go through every single one here, but you'll notice that they have these coaching calls, okay? So tons and tons and tons of coaching calls, which is super cool because if you wanna learn Facebook organic marketing, you could go and check out this product here or these coaching calls, or short form, you could go here. They have Q&A. So there's all these things that help you promote this product or help you learn the skills of digital marketing in general. Now, what I want to show you is why you want to promote this product. So I just became an affiliate for this product as well. The cool thing is you'll notice here, they have high ticket affiliate commission. So you'll see here, they have $850, $1,200, $1,500, up to $1,600 commissions for this product, okay? There's multiple ways to promote it. You'll see there's a webinar, there's a Facebook group join, but if you're promoting this product, again, I do recommend that you go straight to the webinar because this is gonna be the way that does the selling and telling for you. Now, the cool thing with the webinar is they're gonna go through and they're gonna show you basically how to start a business. But the cool thing is after the webinar, you actually get on call with a sales person, okay? So this is where it's very powerful, right? So with Legendary Marketer, you're on this challenge, but then you get on call with somebody to buy the higher ticket Legendary Marketer program. With this, it's pretty cool because you have a webinar, so like a 90-minute, 2-hour presentation, and then that then goes to a sales call. So what that does is it massively increases the conversion for the product, right? So the cool thing is you're just able to get people to this free thing, right? So the promise is, hey, I'm gonna show you how to get started with an online business. It's a free training, right? They go watch this free webinar, but then they get access to this call, the sales team, that then shows them the value on why they need it. And it's a super powerful way to promote high ticket products. Again, you wanna find a product that has both a webinar and or a challenge. And the cool thing is this one actually has phone call, which is a very powerful way to close a high ticket sale. All right, so high ticket affiliate marketing product number 5 is the Amazing Selling Machine. Now, I've talked about this one before. This is still in the make money online niche, but this is teaching people how to start an Amazon FBA business. So if you've never heard of that, it's basically fulfillment by Amazon, where you go to China, you buy, a bunch of products, you ship it straight to Amazon, and Amazon ships it for you. So this product can earn anywhere between $2,000 and $3,000 per click. Okay, so if you go to amazing.com/affiliates, you can actually become affiliate for this product. Now, the cool thing is this is a super proven offer. They've been doing this for the last 11 years, and it's one of the programs that's super well known in the industry. So many affiliates have made millions of dollars with this program. And again, they do pay the high ticket affiliate commissions for this product. And again, they do give you all the email swipes, social media posts, blogs that you can use to get traffic to the Amazing Selling Machine. And I just want to show you the top 3 affiliates. You can see just the 3 affiliates here, over $500,000 in commissions with affiliate 1, over $200,000 affiliate B, and over $44,000 with affiliate C. So if you're looking for kind of a different high ticket affiliate product, go check out the Amazing Selling Machine. If you're looking for kind of a different angle for helping people leave their 9-to-5 job. Now, if you enjoyed this video on the top high ticket affiliate marketing products, I want you to say high ticket down below, because this is what allowed me to leave my 9-to-5 job. High ticket affiliate marketing is so lucrative because you don't have to sell a ton of low ticket things to make a lot of money, right? You just got to sell one thing and you can make $500, $1,000, $2,000 in commissions. So super, super powerful. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll see you on the next one, and God bless.